foxes are fascinating and adaptable creatures known for their cunning and distinctive behavior. They belong to the family Canidae, which includes other well-known members such as wolves, coyotes, and domestic dogs. The most common species is the red fox, characterized by its reddish-brown fur coat and bushy tail. Foxes possess keen senses, including excellent night vision, acute hearing, and a keen sense of smell. They are omnivorous, consuming plants and animals like small mammals, birds, insects, fruits, and berries. Their diet varies depending on their habitat. Foxes display remarkable adaptability, thriving in diverse environments, from forests and grasslands to deserts and urban areas. They often coexist with humans, residing in suburban neighborhoods and cities, utilizing burrows, hollow logs, or even building spaces as dens. These intelligent creatures employ various hunting tactics, including stalking, pouncing, and digging to catch prey. Foxes are typically solitary animals, coming together only for mating purposes. Their communication involves vocalizations like barks, screams, and howls. Beyond their hunting prowess, foxes are known for their playful nature. They engage in activities such as playing with objects, chasing their tails, and sliding down snowy slopes. This playfulness serves both as entertainment and as a means for young foxes to develop essential survival skills. Reproduction in foxes is influenced by location and species. After a gestation period of 50 to 60 days, female foxes give birth to litters of 3 to 12 pups. The mother provides care in a den, nursing, protecting, and teaching her young hunting and survival skills. Foxes have left their mark on cultural narratives worldwide. They often appear as clever and cunning characters, embodying wit and intelligence in European folklore, where the trickster archetype is associated with them. Japanese folklore reveres the kitsune, a fox spirit known for its intelligence and magical abilities. In Native American mythology, foxes are occasionally viewed as powerful and wise beings. In conclusion, foxes are remarkable creatures, distinguished by their intelligence, adaptability, and cunning behavior. Their ability to thrive across varied habitats and in close proximity to humans underscores their resilience. Foxes continue to captivate the human imagination, symbolizing both the beauty and mysteries of the natural world. Please like and subscribe if you enjoyed the video. Thank you for taking the time to watch and enjoy the remaining visual experience.